close event is this incredible, immersive theatrical experience.
They're going to be guided on this journey by the voice of MILLA JOVOVICH.
I guide them through the flow. They hear my voice throughout the immersive tour. Welcome. Are you listening?
The Night That Flows is the world's first drive-through theatrical experience to launch the new Toyota CH-R.
We've got a multitude of creative partners working across this job, across a number of disciplines. They really are the best of the best.
Talking about 7 months worth of planning, we're talking about a week of being in the building, setting up lights, sound.
Projectionists, fashion photographers, fashion stylists, casino croupiers, magicians.
The Night That Flows is a journey of amazing imaginary discovery.
And whilst they're being driven between 5 massive disused warehouses in East London, they're going to be captured secretly by hidden camera positions from which we're going to create 100 personalised films.
Starring MILLA and them, and they won't know that it's happened. That's never been done before.
I have never done anything like this before. This is definitely one of the most interesting event launches that I've ever been a part of, and I'm excited.
I think they're going to actually feel like they've witnessed something new and unique here.
Now watch the movie.